Hey guys, in this week's episode of Skuff TV, we're going straight over to the ASP World Tour stop at Trestles, where Australian Mick Fanning just dusted Dane Reynolds in the finals, keeping his hopes alive for a 2009 world title.
Yeah, there's a few fun little ones. A few of the boys are out there, Mick, Taj, Dom. Fun little waves, it's a pretty cruisy day. First real day of waves here in the last week, so everyone's out there trying to get a little groove on. Hopefully we have a few more days like this before the event starts, so we can kind of feel our boards out and catch a couple before we get stuck into it.
It's the only day of the swell for the event, so we're just going to surf it off right now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
No, just working with Kanga, trying to figure out the lineup.
Tell us about your food bar tactics.
Never give up, never quit.
Right now I'm pushing Brett to the next level of surfing right now. I'm pushing him to push his limits for the WCT and the Hurley Pro. Training with Ian Kanga Cairns. It's getting gnarly. We're not messing around right now.
Yeah, well, Evan's part of the Pakistan USA junior team, so he's not able to make our training later in the month. So I said, well, I'll come down and work out with Brett. We've really been able to sort of like test the limits of his ankle. You know, if we can get sort of through this sort of like rehab phase, the last 2 or 3 days before the contest, I'm going to be working on pushing the performance level and the quickness and spectacular moves, so that I personally think he's a candidate to win the event.
Thank you so much. I'm so overwhelmed. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate Hurley. The job that these guys do, Pat, Paul, Bob, Rob, you know, they put on an event for the surfers, and we just lost the cork. But you know, it's huge thank you to Hurley. Thank you to boys. Sculling already. My boys Shagger and F-Bomb Face for keeping me so much fun. My wife, she's on the plane right now, so she's going to get off the plane in London and find out we're 100 grand richer. And 105, sorry. And you know, everyone else out there. Kanoka's using a really big bank. You know, Rip Curl, Red Bull, Dragon, everyone, they're popping everywhere. But I just want to congratulate Dane too. You know, the surfing that he did is, you know, he's only the start of the next few years. So I can't wait. I'm so excited just to watch these guys. So thanks so much for inspiring all of us, Dane.